What's the meaning of blearily? Blearily. Blearily.
Blearily. Blearily. Blearily is an adverb that describes a person who is tired, exhausted, or fatigued. It suggests that one's eyes are heavy and may be half closed due to lack of sleep or prolonged physical or mental activity. When a person is bleary-eyed, they may appear drowsy, disoriented, and perhaps even irritable. The term blearily can also refer to an action or movement that is sluggish or slow, as if someone is moving through molasses. Overall, it conveys a sense of weariness and a need for rest, as if the person has been pushing themselves beyond their limits for a prolonged period of time.